Hi everyone, welcome to Zander the Science Kid. Today, I'm going to be doing a gross nose science kit. If you like this video, don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button for more awesome Zander the Science Kid videos.
Zander the Science Kid.
Okay, let's get started on this gross nose science experiment kit. It looks so gross. It's not in the nose. A blue nose. I wonder if it's a cold. Ooh, look at that. It kind of looks like snow, right? Get this out. Ooh, there's some more stuff. Oh, here's the extraction. Ew! That's disgusting. Okay. Ah, it popped out. A nose. Oh no, my nose. It's blue. Okay. Whoa, look at these. What fell in the box? Whoa. Do you know what colors these are? This is yellow and this is green. Okay. Here's the nose. That's snotty. Look at these. It's kind of like boogers. That's it. Bye-bye, Maxie. First, we should always organize our stuff. Noses go there. Plastic goes in right here. Oh, we need to take this out before we... Now we've got all of our parts ready. Hey Zeba, what's included in the science experiment?
That is a squishy nose with 2 nose hair plugs.
Oh no, my nose. My booger. Oh no.
Those are 2 bottles of not snot ooze.
Ooh, I'm dripping out ooze from my nose.
That is 1 packet of not snot powder, 1 packet of agar powder, and 1 packet of Ewww Mucky Mucus powder. And 1 petri dish.
My teeth. Now we need a few things from the kitchen. We're gonna need some tap water in a bowl, spoons, a plate to catch spills like this, and then some paper napkins to help with it too. Okay, what do we need to do
Step
first?
1. First, you add a little bit of water into your mixing bowl.
I'm gonna pour some water, tap water into the plate. Get my fingers out of the way.
Step 2. Carefully cut open the Mucky Mucus powder packet and pour it into your mixing bowl and stir it until it's a runny mucus consistency.
So I'm gonna need to cut open the packet and pour some into the plate with my spoon. Okay, here's my scissors. Always be careful with scissors.
Scissor safety is very important. Always use scissors carefully so you don't cut your fingers.
Pour it all. A lot of monkey mucus. Okay, let's stir it. Whoa, it looks like mucus. I'm making some mucus. And M is for mucus. Whoa, that looks really slimy and mucusy. Whoa, looks so cool. Hello, I have a mucus coming out of my nose. Ooh, this looks really gooey and slimy. So gross. So gross. Look at that. Look at that green ooze and snot. It looks so cool. I wonder what science experiment I'm gonna do next. I hope it's ooze. Like slime. It actually does kind of look like slime, right? Right, Zebot?
Yeah, supery and gooey.
I am sweet. Is it almost done, Zebot?
Step 3. Yeah, it's ready. Now you have to pour the snot into the big blue nose.
Oh no. So do you have to take out these?
Yeah.
Yeah. Ew. That looks really gross. Like the cork, it looks really gross. Like, oh no, I have a booger. Yep. Stuck in there. I hope I don't hurt you, Mr. Nose. Okay, I'll have to pour it in there. Ah! Yeah, I'm doing it. I'm pouring it in there. Mr. Nose, why do you have a lot of mucus in there? Pour that in there. That looks really gross. Can't believe I'm pouring mucus into a nose. It looks really gross. Ew. It looks really gross. I wonder what science experiment I really want to do next. It's gonna be, I think it's gonna be really cool. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's a bunch of mucus. Get back down in there. Ew, someone on my finger.
Mucky mucus. When you breathe through your nose, you take in more than just air, dust, pollen, microbes, and other tiny particles get sucked in as well. These things can irritate your nose and trigger mucus production to stop that stuff from getting into your lungs. Zander is making a model science experiment to show this process in action when we breathe in particles that irritate our sinuses and make our nose produce mucus.
Oh my gosh, look at that. Ew, it's on my finger. Ew, a bunch of mucus is on my finger. Good thing we have paper towels. Get it off me. Ew. Wipe your nose. You have a bad nose. Put some more. Is it ready, Zebot? I think I put too much.
Yeah. That nose is full of yucky mucus. Zander, now you can squeeze the yucky mucus out of the nose.
3, 2, 1, squirt! Ew! 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 That's so slimy. Ew!
This is what happens when you
Look
breathe in
at
particles
that.
into your nose. They get stuck in your
Ew.
sinuses, then the
I want
particles come out of your
napkins.
nose and the mucus your nose produces.
I can pour it back in. Oh my god, there's like a bunch of bubbles. Oh my gosh. I'm so glad I did the science experiment. I recommend you should do it too. It's really slimy, mucusy, but I recommend it. You should do it. Man, this smells like there's a lot of snot. I hope he wipes his nose after he does another booger wipe. Ew, it's all everywhere. It's everywhere. This is one big honker. I hope he wipes his nose, like for reals. He's gonna get boogers everywhere in his house. Oh my god. Look at that. A lot of mucus. Okay. I want to know what happens if I clog it. What do you think would happen, Zeba?
It would probably block the mucus from coming out of the nose.
They don't get out, snot! Yeah! It's all over my fingers! Oh my gosh! It's kind of like slime. Ew. I need a napkin. Ew, there's a bunch of slime everywhere. Ew. This is one messy science kit. I don't think your mom would be happy if you actually did the science experiment, or your dad. They would be freaking out. Like, why is there a bunch of mucus and snot in the house? Clean up your room. That would be really, really messy. You would actually need a mop. For real. Okay, so I'm gonna hold it up really high and then I'm gonna squeeze it and I wanna know what happens. I hope it does like a slow motion fall. That would be actually cool. Bunch of oozy goozy. Okay, 3, 2, 1, snot time! Oh my gosh! I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button for more awesome Zander the Science Kid videos. Ooze time! Yeah! Bye!